Hello, my name is Mr. Mitchell. I'm one of the instructors here at Top of the Line Barber School. And today I will be discussing with you the items that go inside of the State Board Texas Practical Examination bag. All right, for the first bag, we have what we call the pre-exam setup and disinfection. This bag, you're gonna have your EPA spray bottle, a trash bag, hand sanitizer, paper towel roll, and a spray bottle of water. Your next bag is going to be the manicure service bag. In this bag we'll have 2 towels, a hand finger bowl, soap water, nail brush, cuticle oil. I see the nail filer, cuticle pusher, also your manicure kit. For the shave bag, we'll have 5 towels, your shaving gel, 2 razors, a biohazard bag, a headrest cover, a wet cake, and 5 towels. For the blood incident exposure, we'll have gloves, alcohol pad, step-tip powder, Q-tip, Band-Aid. Let's see. For the facial service bag, we'll have 2 towels, cotton ball, your toner, massage cream, and a spatula. For the hair cutting service bag, we'll have a dry hair cutting cake, shears, combs. You want to have a comb for your clipper over comb cutting, neck duster, neck strips. You can put both shears inside of there also, your texture shears and your regular shears. This is one of my favorites. For the blow dry and thermal curling, you have your blow dryer, your curling iron, clips, rat tail comb for the parting of the hair. You have a vented brush for the blow dry part of the service. Also 2 towels and a wet cake. For the chemical application preparation, you have 2 towels, clips, rat tail comb, Vaseline. What is that? Spatula. And then we have gloves in here also. Your next service is the permanent wave. You'll have your waving lotion, gloves, cotton coil, your perm rods, end wraps, rat tail comb for the parting of the hair. And the last bag will be the single process color retouch. This one will have your chemical bowl, your foil, your color brush, your rat tail comb for parting, your hair gel to simulate as your color, the end of the exam bag is the same as your first bag. So you'll use those same implements such as your paper towel roll, your EPA, your hand sanitizer. Those will all be down in that last bag, okay?